Hey guys, me, Harry, and Tang, and we're doing more reacting to for some reason.
Yes, because we like reacting.
Well, no, it's because we have nothing else better to do. React to 5 of them.
Wait a minute, I thought it was 10.
No, I decided 5. You're not the one deciding. Shoot the door. Okay, so I did really like Starriet's copycat me, just because it's amazing, you know. She draws. I think she draws really good. There's even though there's barely any animation in this, that's what makes it good. And okay, sorry. Okay, sorry. I'm still pretty new to this stuff.
Yep. She's pretty new. Now we're gonna do all these.
Sorry, yeah. Jaeger. This person.
It took the try.
But look at her something really. I like your purple hair.
Wearing a bathing suit.
But I think I figured out really good. That person. Jaeger. Oh, it looks so cute. Okay, guys, we're back. We're back. I'm glad we're back because I didn't want to leave so long. So, you know that the person who the person who made it, it was awesome. Wolfie Chew. Let's go. I love Wolfie Chew. Wolfie Chew. I love her eyes. I adore Wolfie Chews.
Yay, Wolfie Chews.
It's so cute.
Yes, he's such a cute bird. Like
Okay,
it's
so
so.
I did 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Let's see this person with the knife. My brain
Okay,
wants out.
Oh god. Yeah, it's kind of near the others. Okay. Where's Mettaton Nino? Yes, it's supposed to be Tara. Are you an idiot? Are you blind?
When until things started, now I thought it was. Where the heck is Mettaton Nino?
I really liked it. The only problem is where is Mettaton Nino?
Yeah, where the heck is?
So, no, for the last
For a
one.
second, I thought I was about to call Mettaton.
Yes, it's this person. Ghostface Nicole. Jaeger. Mega Milk. Rosalie, I think that's how you say her name. Shut the door, please. I really adored her thing.
Yep.
Internet, you probably are gonna hate me now, but this is me wearing a Lenny face. I actually really liked all of them. They were all very cute. Now I'm gonna go die in a fire. Bye!